You like cooking?
I love cooking, but I'm not very good at it.
I would charge adults to do this class $400 or $500.
What if I'm just helping out and you're literally making for dinner?
I'm just making dinner today. Yeah, it's easy today. We did Southern style or your Delta style boiled shrimp. Making some lemon garlic butter sauce, some scallops, and some grouper we're going to cook. And we're going to fry some shrimp also. Kind of, and you can pinch it down here and all the meat so you don't leave anything in the tail. You just, hold on, there you go, look at that, you got the whole thing out. How do you like boiled shrimp?
That's good.
Yeah, they're really good.
Is that thumbs up or thumbs down? Boiled shrimp, thumbs up.
It's really simple.
2 thumbs up.
We'll make a few fried shrimp.
Okay.
And then we'll do it in 2 batches.
How much shrimp did you get?
3 pounds, it wasn't that much. Take a big handful of shrimp. Throw them, that's good, throw them in there.
So here is the eggs.
It's just eggs.
And then eggs, and then the seasoning. And then these are some shrimp that are
Peeled and butterfly.
Yeah. And butterfly. Butterfly is when you cut down the middle a little bit.
What's in here? Do you know?
This is gluten-free
Flour.
flour, and then what else?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch and
It's also got the same seasoning blend of Old Bay and Cajun. Not too strong, but you need to, and just a little salt and pepper.
yeah. I am putting the shrimp in here to cover them up with them so we can fry them. Oh, since these are butterfly shrimp, there's a little pocket in it. I have to make sure to get all of this into it, so I have to open it up. Yeah, so I think these are about ready to go.
Find these, and you can put them in the basket this way.
That's all we got.
So we're going to lay those in there. There's about as many as we want to put in there. Because we don't want to cool the grease off too much.
They're not quite brown yet.
Let's go here.
Wow.
These are good?
They're really good.
Thumbs up? Double thumbs up.
You can eat the end of the tail if you want.
Double thumbs up.
I peeled the tags off these.
The scallops.
Yeah, the scallops.
White pepper, which is, be gentle with them because we don't want to break them up. White pepper is very strong, so we don't use a lot. But it's good with
You
seafood.
poured a lot onto it.
Put some oil in here. I'm going to make sure this doesn't flare up. Face down, and I kind of press them in, and I'm not going to move them until they brown.
It's hot.
Really hot.
Pour yourself.
Pick that up, put it on the platter. Those are beautiful. We're going to let those go a little longer. Just thickening this sauce a little bit. Reduced white wine and a little chicken stock. Garlic, lemon. And we're making a butter sauce.
Oh.
So we're using a little cornstarch to thicken it. And
Okay.
Turkey stock or chicken stock?
Chicken stock. For this, I'm going to turn it off because the butter is going to melt in there. And the butter actually kind of helps thicken it. That's how you thicken gravies. One way. You can stir that around with 2 fingers and make sure all the lumps are gone.
Does cornstarch have any taste?
When it's cooked, not really. No.
Oh, that's good.
What's in there?
It's butter. It's a lemon sauce. It has texture in it. It's really good.
Yep. But that is seared scallops. Take this sauce. It's still warm and thick. This is the lemon sauce.
Yes.
I don't want to put too much sauce in there. This is that one broken one.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
No, they're good.
Kind of your fingers in, you put your thumb underneath it. That way you can always see what's going on and you're not putting them in.
That was much easier.
My fingers on.
You go in here.
Mom, I'm using a big girl knife.
You might have to turn it around the other way so she's right-handed.
I'm right-handed.
A little bit in the pan and moving it forward a little bit. Yep. So there's kind of a feel after you've done this. We're going to go ahead.
Okay.
I want to be very light with this. Okay. And while we're starting to cook this, we're going to fry the rest of the shrimp. This is just some sea salt. Just take that big piece, get in the oil. We're just trying to get a little bit oily. So this is the best side, the really white side, and that's the pink side is a little bit less best side. Best side down, this side right there. Yep, we're gonna go like this. Oil in here than we got on there. We don't want to touch fish more than we have to. We're only going to touch them a few times.
Thumbs up, thumbs down on the grouper. Double thumbs up.
Dinner is served. Welcome to the table.